Auto India is here at EV Expo 2024, and today we have with us Mr. Neeraj Kumar Singhal, CEO of Semco Group. Hello, Mr. Singhal.
Hello.
So, what all products are you showcasing here at the expo?
So we as Semco Infratech is showcasing the battery assembly and testing solutions, wherein you can make the assembly of batteries which is used in electrical vehicles or energy storage systems or solar systems or maybe any application where the lithium ion batteries are used. We are also showcasing our range of power tools which are mostly operated by lithium ion batteries.
So, what challenges is the EV industry facing in India?
Majorly the challenges is that the cells are not manufactured in India, all imported from China. Mostly 80-90% of our cells are imported from China. So price challenge is there, that's why the quality challenge is there. For the technology challenge is there because we don't have any technologies here in India where we can make the good batteries suitable for our environment of high temperature and maybe the use how the Indian drive and use the electrical vehicles.
How do you think those challenges can be mitigated?
So I think now the government is promoting the advanced cell chemistry, cells manufacturing in India, and few companies are setting up the plants like Exide, Amar Raja Batteries, etc. So maybe next year end onward or early 2026 onward, when the Indian cells will be available, then I think there will be change in the whole scene, because then the cell manufacturing companies will be also able to provide some technologies how to properly use their cells and make the battery packs. So hoping that later or sooner these challenges will be overcome when these products are manufactured here in India. Presently most of these products are coming from China and people are doing just the assembly.
Let's hope for the best, sir. What are your plans for the next year?
So we are trying to understand the Indian market on regular basis and trying to provide them the different solutions which are required, as we are also displaying or showcasing few of our new products which are applicable as per the products which are manufactured here in India, or because the product mix also changes every year depending upon what is the market demand. So we are introducing the new products, the products which are used in the after sale services, products which are used for extensive and more testing of the batteries. So we also come up with the various products every month, you can say. One or two different products we launches every month.
So, what are your views on the overall EV market?
So I am very positive about the EV market. So these hiccups or these up and downs happens in all the markets when they start. But ultimately these will go up only, means we learn from all these things because it's cheaper, cleaner, viable options. So as soon as the more and more viabilities will come, cell prices are declining, then I hope that I am very positive about this industry, and I think that as China has done, if you see in China, in few cities they had completely changed the ecosystem, and all these vehicles from two-wheeler, three-wheeler, cars, buses, all the vehicles are electric vehicles. So sooner or later India will also adopt. India is adopting. The products will improve. Once the product will improve, customers will start adopting it, and I think that by 2030 we will definitely have a great market here in India, which is going on the right path, but means just up and downs are there.
Great, sir. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.